Hi friends, welcome to my X journey. So today clearly we're not talking about Hermes. However, if you've been watching my channel, you probably know that I do talk about a lot of different luxury things, but majority of my channel does talk about my X journeys, and sometimes I will throw in some other luxury items that I'm currently into. So today, clearly, I am going to unbox a Chanel items that I just got. If you've watched my previous videos, you guys know I have a few things that my SA been reserving for. And this item's actually not the item that I asked to reserved, but it is part of the item that I was eyeing on for a little while, even though it's not exactly the one that I wanted, but I'm actually really happy. So please comment below and let me know what you think this piece is. And of course, it just came right on time before the holiday. So are you guys ready? Let me show you guys how this looks like. And of course, here's the receipt. There's a little card. I'll probably show you guys the price later. And I really like this camel flower of Chanel. It's black with the gold glitter. I just love it. I should have asked him, like, just put it in there instead of putting it on the back, but it's okay. I mean, still like it. So let me just open this ribbon. Okay. So here's the box, and of course with the nice holiday ribbons and the camellia flower again. I just love it. Okay, so let's open this. I hope now I know how to actually open this. This time I actually saw my SA wrapping it, which is kind of nice. Okay. Ooh, lots of glitter on the box. Love it. Oh, wait. I think I just got a text from my SA. So I'm gonna be right back, guys. I think I have to rush and get it because, with the shipping nowadays, it can cause any delays, and I'm actually going away soon. So I will be right back. Oh, I really love these like holiday spirits. Ooh, the Christmas trees and everything. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. So now I'm heading to the boutique. Can you guys guess which boutique I'm heading to? Yes! So as you can see, I'm heading to the Chanel's boutique today. And yeah, that's where my text was from. So yeah, I will be back with you guys for the unboxing, so please bear with me. Okay, so I'm back, and you guys probably know I'll definitely have another Chanel unboxing soon, and I will tell you another story. It's kind of interesting. I got this piece, and then I was, earlier I was talking about like this is not the one that I was reserving for, but it's more things coming, right? So great for the holiday, guys. So anyway, so come back to this, and without further ado, let me unbox this piece. And some of you might know what this is, or you could probably guess if you buy a lot of Chanel. So here's the carrying card. And here's the dust bag. So have you guys guessed what this is? Have you guys been waiting to see what this piece is? Yeah, this is a wallet. And then it's in caviar. Oh, I actually really like this protective case. So this is the wallet. This is the classic flap long wallet. And let me open this. And as I'm opening it, Ooh, I love it. This is actually not exactly the one that I've been eyeing on. I'm actually eyeing on the lambskin one, and then my SA told me they have it in caviar instead, and it's with silver hardware because I've been seeing ones, you know, with caviar with the gold hardware, and I really don't like the brass gold, you know, like it's just not my preference. So yeah, when I saw this, I was like, oh, I really need to go in and touch it and see it, right? And I really like, you know, with the palladium hardware, it just looked younger. I mean, it's matched with my vibe, I guess. And then when you look at it, I mean, I really like this layout because see, like you can put many cards on this side and this side, and there's a zipper in the middle. And yes, here's the authentication card. I'm gonna put it here, and then here's the price tag. Let me just close this for now. So I'm pretty sure the depth is actually 1 inch, and I want to say the length here is 7.1 inch, and then the height is 4.5 inch. Okay. So like I said, the price for this piece is $1,200. So let me tell you guys a little story. I mean, the story is not long, it's not complicated, and I do have a few questions for you guys actually. Anyway, so like I said, I'm actually reserving one item, and which I got it today as I'm filming this video. So I've been reserving an item from Chanel, which I got it today. And along with that, I was actually requesting for this classic long wallet in lambskin because I mean, I saw it online. I thought they only have it lambskin. I didn't know they have the caviar actually. You guys know, like, I kind of just started my Chanel journey, so it's a little new to me. Like, I'm not sure, like, what's exactly their classic, except, you know, those small classic double flap or the medium large or the jumbo. Like, I know those, you know, like those, I should know, right? Anyways, so I asked him yesterday, and he said, you know, there's no lambskin, but he has it in the caviar with the silver hardware because I've been looking for the wallet with silver hardware. I'm really not a big fan of their brassy gold colors. So, you know, when he said he has a caviar and it was silver hardware, and I said, well, I guess I'll probably come in. So I went today and I took a look, and I was like, oh, this caviar looks good. I mean, I've seen the new caviar. That one looks to me is a little more plastic. It's not really like a leather, but this one, the caviar, as you see, it's more matte finish, and it actually feels really, really nice. Oh yeah, there's a pocket at the back. So I like how there's a pocket at the back, so then perhaps I can put like some emergency card or transportation card in here. It's actually very useful. I love it. So yeah, so I went and get it, and I saw it, and I was like, it was a quick decision because this is more doable. My essay also said, you know, this is the only items, like small leather good, like, you know, card holder or anything like that, or like wallet that you will use every so often, like you will put it in the purse where you're going to put keys and your phones and everything. It would scratch very easily if it's a lambskin. So the caviar is actually more doable. So he highly recommended and said, you know, the small leather good, it's better to have in caviar instead of lambskin. With, you know, purse, like the classic flap or like other usage, those Baker leather good, it actually looks a lot nicer in the lambskin, which I totally agree. I mean, I love their mini. As you guys know, I love their mini rectangular, their classic flap in lambskin. Anyways, so yeah, I got it. And what would you guys say is between their new caviar leather and this one, which is, I think, this caviar leather, it's been here for years, which is my husband called it like the old version, the more like classic version of the caviar. So let me know what you guys think about the new caviar, because it's different than this one. Okay, if you own one, if you own a new caviar version, please let me know your comments. Like, how do you like them? Because I'm actually thinking about the medium large classic double flap, but I just don't know if I really want it in lambskin or in caviar. I mean, I've seen a new caviar in that size in white, and then I was just like, I don't know, it looks a little more plastic, not like this one. This one looks really, really good. So my husband did ask me, like, do you want your medium large classic to be in lambskin or caviar? And I said lambskin. He's like, really? No caviar? I'm like, consider the look of it, the feel of it, I have to see. But if you own one, please let me know your comments. Like, please let me know how much you like your caviar medium large double flap, just to give me a little more clue before I send in my reserve or send in my wish list. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And so if you like today's videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my X Journey. In my channel, I do talk about a lot of things about Hermes, and now I also expanded to other luxury leather good, and I do need a lot of your advice, especially in Chanel. So as for Hermes, I do talk about my experience with Hermes shoppings and how I score a few things. This year I did score a Birkin and a Kelly. So if you're interested in knowing how I score them, I will put those videos down below in the description box. So don't forget to check it out. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.